What's the point of going to college?
I am the one, the way your son.
What's up, Avalonians? This is your personal entertainer in residence, Sid Bozon. Today I got a little cold. I'm feeling a little weak. I don't have COVID though, thankfully. So I got some chicken soup and I'm about to munch on that. But besides that, it's a busy day. I've got an ad to shoot. I've got a couple of calls to make, a couple of emails to send. So let's see what everyone else is up to. Come follow me. Alright, so Varun just came into the room and he was like, hey, let's play badminton. And we were like, yay! So we're going down and we're getting the rackets. We are here. Right, so we just got done with playing badminton. Varun,
Why is my hair so bad?
who won?
Obviously me. I beat them 1 versus 2.
This is so unfair because Varun's a former state player, so obviously he's gonna win it. But I'm gonna use that to console myself. Awesome, now we're headed to the office. I've got to catch up with Abhinav. There are a couple of people from the Discord server who's actually come to meet us, so we're gonna go meet them. What's your name, guys?
My name is Daksh. My name is Vedant.
And I heard you were the college dropouts.
Yeah, we dropped out of college thanks to Avalon.
Thanks to Avalon.
Yeah, I mean,
At least for him.
it was back in what, April 2020. Varun and Tanay had taken the initiative to encourage dropouts, and I was like, okay, I'll seriously consider it.
How long has it been since you dropped out of college?
I took the decision, what, July? And
What were you studying? Engineering?
Computer science, yeah.
Yes.
Both of you computer science.
I actually just graduated of high school last year and I didn't enroll into a proper college.
Oh, so you didn't even drop out. You just
Yeah, I was going to drop out of 12.
Why drop out of 12?
I already had a job offer and was running a startup. And already semi-successfully created another startup before that. So I was like, what's the point of going to college?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get.
And what are you most excited about being here at Avalon today?
I've been a part of the community ever since its beginning. Even before I think Avalon was a thing. I joined Meta Startup Facebook group back in 2019. So like I've grown over the years personally and professionally with the community. So just being here, meeting the founders and the team is something, you know, it's like a dream come true in a way. So, I mean, I'm really glad that I was able to meet you
Most
guys.
of my good friends are from the Avalon army and they have encouraged them to, do the cool things.
Right, so I'm going downstairs to meet Martin and we're gonna shoot something. Guys, do you want to come with me downstairs to the virtual prod?
Sure.
Awesome, let's go. How excited are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
69.
Alright guys, we're doing a VO right now.
Okay.
Check.
Okay. Rolling.
Yes.
Action.
Firstly, tag your favorite content creator in the comments because you don't want them to miss out on this. Martin, are you ready?
It's not recording.
Are you mad or what?
It was not recording.
What kind of a videographer are you? You see the red logo here?
Oh, okay. Got it. It's like because it's red icon. There. I can see it.
Colorblind.
Yeah.
Abhinav actually calls, so this chair that I'm sitting on, if you guys can see it. Guys, what color do you think this chair actually is? Abhinav thinks this is actually green for some reason.
Are you mad? Oh, it's like green.
Yeah, Abhinav actually said it's green. I'm not kidding.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously, I'm not kidding. I think Abhinav is colorblind.
You're fired.
Right, so that's done. I'm gonna go up and I'll have my coffee and I also have to make a lot of calls for selecting Ava Hustlers, selecting campus ambassadors. So we only need about 10 Ava Hustlers, but we got over 200 applications within 24 hours. So it's gonna be a rigorous process. I'm gonna have a hard time filtering out. But that's what I'm gonna do. I have to get it done today. So by today, we should have 10 Ava Hustlers. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm here at the office. Oh shit, where's my coffee? Alright, so apparently the maid threw away my coffee. So I'm gonna make myself some hot chocolate. Alright, so I'm done with my hot chocolate. And there's Avina's whey protein. So we're just gonna have and chill for a while. Now I'm sitting to make a lot of calls. I'll be calling all the Ava Hustlers, all the people who have applied for the Ava Hustler program, and I'll be filtering out. And today I will have my list of 10 Ava Hustlers. So I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes of the process of what we're doing. Basically, these are the phone interviews. I just call them up, I ask them how the day is going, what they're studying in college, whether they like it or not, what societies are they involved in, why they applied, you know, lots of things like that. Just getting to know them in a very informal way. It's not like a typical interview.
A few moments later.
I'm finally done for the day. What time is it? It's 8:42. At 9 o'clock I have a session on the Voices app, which is Science Radio, where I talk about interesting things regarding science. So I have to do that. Alright, my Science Radio session is just about to start on the Voices app. So I'm getting started. Check this out. It's 9 o'clock. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? How's it going? Today we're going to be talking about the physics of Star Wars, and we're going to get into a discussion about dark energy, which is pretty cool. So let's do it. Let's wait for a while and let's get started. Hey guys, so if you like that vlog, you know what to do. Guys, like,
share,
and subscribe and hit the bell icon.